Start by unboxing your Targus docking station and inspecting all components to ensure everything is included. Connect the dock to your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro using the appropriate cable, either USB-C or Thunderbolt, depending on your model. Next, connect your peripherals such as a monitor via HDMI or DisplayPort and keyboard or mouse via USB ports. If your dock requires external power, plug in the included power adapter to ensure proper functionality. Download and install the Targus Docking Utility app from the official Targus website or Mac App Store, ensuring compatibility with macOS Sequoia. Grant any required permissions during the installation process. Configure your external monitors in System Settings under Displays. Finally, test audio and video output in System Preferences under Sound. If your display isn't working, double-check cable connections and port compatibility. For slow charging, ensure you're using a 100-watt plus power adapter if needed. Regularly update macOS to resolve potential driver conflicts. To prevent security vulnerabilities, keep your dock's firmware updated. If you experience performance issues, use macOS Activity Monitor to check data throughput. For older docks, manual driver installation might be necessary. If issues persist, consult Apple discussion forums or Targus support. Remember, Thunderbolt models are generally recommended for professionals needing high-speed data transfer and multi-monitor support. Also, make sure to keep the devices in a well-ventilated area to keep them from overheating.